Hello, this is your July reading. It's Cancer season and a little bit of the Leo season towards the end of July. So to Cancer and Leo, shout out and happy birthday to you guys. Okay, there, Libra, there are a chain of events that will affect your life. I'm seeing here that um, you'll be having a get together with friends. Siguro meron kayong outing or probably uh, parang siguro slumber party, parang ganyan, or probably inuman, casual inuman lang with friends that gonna lead, parang it's very significant. Kung hindi nangyari, parang siyang butterfly effect, okay? But if hindi mangyayari itong certain gathering with this group of people, these events will not unfold, okay? But ang nakikita ko lang that will be very significant is if sumama ka dito sa group of people na to, siguro sila yung mga tao na hindi mo masyadong nakikita for a long time na and then nakipag-reunite ka sa kanila, hindi mo makikilala ang isang tao na medyo magpapasaya sa life mo. Okay? This person is an angel. It's a gift from the universe to you. Especially if you've been single, di ba? Then this person can be the next love of your life or your first love if hindi ka pa nagkakaroon uh, ng relationship before. The angels are protecting you from harm. The friends that you are going to be with are spiritual angels. They are spiritual guides, also disguised as friends. Okay? So, party-party lang and let's see kung sino yung mamimit mo. But this will happen this July. So this has been your reading for the month of July. Comment below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on TikTok and on YouTube. And if there are videos that you feel might help you, feel free to browse my channel here and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!